we are excited to see all the shortlisted Pakistani candidates in Sharjah. This is where the journey begins. Fingers crossed.
Axel was here in Sharjah where we conducted the first batch of Pakistani teachers to actually come and get recruited here for the tests and interview by the Ministry of Education. And on this moment I would like to thank our recruitment partner in advance and the Ministry of Education for providing a chance to Pakistani nationals and welcoming them for this opportunity. Thank you and best of luck.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Anas. I'm an English language teacher. This is an amazing experience. I came here in the morning. They were factor. They were here to support emotionally, mentally.
My name is Awais Mushtaq and I am very much thankful to Paxer and In Advance UK team for their support to manage, organize and coordinate all their activities for the Ministry of Education Recruitment and Selection.
Hi guys, my name is Saud and I would like to share my experience with all of you regarding the whole process which we all followed. I would like to thank the team of Paxer for having an amazing vision of training the teachers for the generation ahead. And finally, I would like to thank the team of In Advance as well, who were there to support us and help us.
This has been an amazing experience, getting this tremendous and overwhelming response from all our candidates. This is what Paxer is trying to bring, an opportunity for all these Pakistani nationals to go abroad and have this international exposure. We are starting the shortlisting for our next batch. So apply now. See you in Sharjah.
الأبواب تغلق. Doors closing.